I cannot believe we just pulled off that goldfish heist, man.
Dude, it's just like light work.
We just stole so much goldfish. Oh,
Uh-oh.
I think
we have a tail, Kyle.
Okay, remain calm. Do you have the gun?
Yes.
Hey,
Hi.
do you realize what you were doing?
No. Don't leave.
Get back here.
Uh-oh.
Anyways, I was on the interstate with you back on 95 just a second ago. You were going 32.
Okay,
Can this thing go faster?
How about this? That wasn't me.
Step out the vehicle.
No.
Step out the clucking vehicle. You have the right to remain silent. Everything you say and will be said will use against you in court.
I'm not gonna say anything. You know how to use handcuffs. Yes, I do. Are you sure?
Get in the vehicle.
No. I don't like Camaros.
Oh shit! It's got more than one pedal.
Hey!
Get it, Kyle!
Oh. I can't close the door. I can't close the door. I can't close the door. I can't reach it.
Side character, shut the door!
Hey! Stop it!
Oh no.
Oh, we're in a high-speed chase. We're gone.
Oh no. Oh great. Oh, this is it.
He can't find us. Oh shit, wait, he's still here!
What do you mean? Is he chasing us? Ooh.
We're gone. We're gone.
Press the on the turn signal. Other way. Turn more. Oh, okay, that works. In the middle. It's in the middle. Uh-oh. Look to your left. Do you know how to use a Miata?
No, I don't know. He's a fudging me off.
I'm out. I'm leaving. Oh.
These guys can't do anything.
Oh,
they're
I
gone.
got you guys.
Oh, I could jump him with this battery jumper.
Oh, his pants.
Oh, no, his pants.
Oh no, my pants fell off.
Hold on.
over his pants.
Hold on. We gotta
No.
destroy the evidence. Destroy the evidence.
No, don't get me. I'm falling.
All right, we got away.
All right, I'm actually about to 360. Done it. Hold on. I saved it.
Oh, officer. Officer, wait.
His pants.
Hold on, officer.
Bro, I'm correct.
Officer, I have an agreement. I'll buy you donuts if you let us go. Okay. Hey, wait.
Officer.
No.
Kyle, please no. No. Kyle, no, please. Kyle, no.
Don't fall.